What is up, everyone? I just stopped at the UPS store and I think the head gasket set for the E36 came in, which means we could put together the S52 for the white M3, which is sick. And I also ordered a set of like side splitters for the S13. I didn't know if I'd like them or not. I don't know, why not? I don't know, man. I think they look pretty cool. I just need a front lip because, I mean, it just needs to match. All right, so yeah, let's get to work. So today is a drift prep day too, because everyone's drifting this weekend. So we got a lot of work ahead of us tonight. But what I want to do is I want to get the head fully bolted, torqued down, everything on the S52 bottom end, and we'll be good to go. So we have an OEM head gasket, and we have basically every gasket from the head gasket up, which is really cool. This kit is surprisingly affordable, and then our OEM head bolts. And a wine voucher, $100 off some wine. Treat your girl nice. There you go. So I got this head already machined, ready to go. Just did a quick degreasing, cleaned her up a little bit. She's ready to drop her on, and then the block I cleaned up like a week ago when we took the engine apart, and I mean, the thing looks beautiful. This is such a nice bottom end. Look at it. Gorgeous. What's up, Blanky bitch? Yeah! What do you think of the new bumper? Looks like Cargan, right?
Yeah, it looks like a real boy now. Probably looks good.
So you ready to help me? Because I need your help.
Well, yeah, what do you want to do?
Put the head on.
Of the good S52?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. So I neglected the fact that there was a bunch of oil in the thread holes, and I would have blew this block apart. Good call, Derek.
Yeah, no problem.
Alright, I'm gonna get my greasy little fingers on this thing.
The greasy little dick beaters. Can you say that? You're an animal.
Skirt. Oh, it's sticky.
All right.
Nice.
The clock starts. Get the head on.
So you want the front or the rear? I'll take the rear all day.
Yeah, I bet you will.
You ready?
I'm down.
Forward.
Let's get the old rubber mallets.
Give me the foot. Stand on it. I've only upgraded the studs and done bolts before. Do we lube the seat?
If you want to hear something really funny, I have never done stock bolts.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. What I would do,
I'll go drive.
grab the impact,
And just send him home.
give it a couple chuggas,
Uh-huh.
put the valve cover on, let's go beat the shit out of this thing.
See, that's because you're used to LS's. LS's, you could do that all day.
do that all day.
Yeah.
With used head gaskets.
So now it's time for the crappy part, the torquing the head bolts. And we have about 14 of them, I think there is in here. And we just do a pattern basically from the center going out. And BMW, their pattern for stock head bolts is about 22 foot-pounds seated. And then you do 90 degrees and then 90 degrees. All right, heads on, torqued up, ready to go. It looks really good. Really happy. This thing's super clean. So now we have our cam trays, or whatever the hell people call these things, and we actually have to, we don't have to, but I want to, pull them all apart, clean every single bucket, clean all the trays, and then lube all the buckets and put them back in. Because they've been sitting for a long time and they've probably collected a lot of bullshit, so. So the intake side is done. Now I just gotta do everything again, but for the exhaust. And Jip, how are you doing, my friend?
Good.
Hopefully this is the right one. Now the exhaust. Nice. Threw the cams on and lubed them up real good. Could never have enough lube. But the cam caps I left in the car like an idiot, and I'm not even gonna bother. I'm gonna take that as my cue to move on from that today and get on to next. So I gotta dial my car a little bit, do a bolt check, do a fluid check, finish fitting up the bumper, and debating if I want to bolt these on or not, because I think they kind of look cool. Went out and actually finally got myself a handy cam for drifting. It is about time. I've needed this forever. As you guys know, the track footage usually kind of sucks. So got a handy cam, got a GoPro 7. Hopefully it works out. So we're gonna switch to our first test shot with the handy cam. I'm excited to see what it looks like.
Tomorrow. That's all me. Handy cam Randy. Give me the pass off. Let me take it for a spin.
All right, yeah.
It's like snow on the bluff. Any of our viewers have seen snow on the bluff, you know what I'm talking about. Let's go, dog.
How's the zoom look, Randall?
We're gonna zoom in on the Y Zinger.
How'd I look over here? Oh, good over here, Randall?
Let's go.
Oh, good?
Yeah.
Look good over here, Randall?
Holy shit. Let's go, dude.
Look over here, Randy?
Watch the paint, dog.
How'd I look?
Tit.
Way too much man for that roof. That thing's total.
Dude, this thing really is a freaking tit. Ready? Slow pan out. Ready? Let's get the Mike Divine shot right here.
Laid over.
Mike, I'm coming for your neck, dog. Look at, oh, zoom in real slow.
Yo, get the knee knock.
Hang on, I'll get the video.
Oh shit. Oh, he's making a mess in the rain. All right, ready, Mike Divine. Ready? Ready?
Divine Randy.
Beats by Jip. Hell yeah, this has really good quality, dude.
Wait, how's the selfie vision though? Flip that camera around. How's it like? Let's see how it's hitting. Like a.
Oh, you can vlog with it.
What's up, guys?
What is it even supposed to be?
I was talking Simish.
Well, let's try night mode. Ooh, okay. Night vision.
No way. Come on, get the skyline on.
Skyline at night. Ooh.
Sheesh, you got the green.
Picture us in the mountains.
Yeah, it's like Japanese.
I'm really upset because I haven't been filming, but we have had an issue with Josh's car literally all day. I probably have half my day literally in this car, and we just got it running good. We had a lot of issues with the distributor, and I think I figured it out. So Josh's gonna take it for a rip and hopefully load up on the trailer and drift tomorrow. Fingers crossed, but I don't want to miss another video, but today's a stressful day. Well, so like 2.5 hours later, went to go load the car on the trailer. It's running great. Oh boy, it's dark. Let's go night mode. Hell yeah. And the car died right before we went to go pull it on, and now we can't figure it out. And it's really late. And it sucks. And my car is still in the garage. This is what we have turned into. I would say between me and Brian, we're extremely good at diagging cars. And we're at a loss of words for this one. Only thing, we have this thing torn apart. We bypassed everything.
Every time we make progress too, it's just, it slaps you in the face.
Oh yeah.
Damn.
A few moments later.
We got everything, we just fixed everything again, and now Josh gonna start it up, and it better start.
And drive it on the freaking trailer.
And then we're just gonna cross our dicks super tight.
Do a shitload of electrical tape. Well, probably not, because we're worried this is gonna happen again.
We want to just zip time out of the way.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
We already got a tech sticker, so Bear, if you're watching, I'm sorry. Just try and start it.
Let's see what happens. Please.
This has been the most roller coaster of a night I've ever had.
You whip it out. I'm gonna whip mine out, and we'll cross them up.
Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, thank God.
And it's pretty good. It's running good. What the fuck?
The low light kind of sucks on this camera. We got night mode. There we go. Thank God. It's literally almost 1 o'clock in the morning, and I still need to load up everything. So, hope you guys can see me. I already apologized to you guys that this video is a day late. We had to miss a day because there's no way I can edit this tonight. Dude,
hey.
I still, it looks like we're literally going to either break in somewhere or go capture a wild animal.
We should do like, we should
Ghost hunter.
Forget vlogging and start doing like some fake TV show shit and
like
sell
ghost
it to
hunting.
Discovery. Yeah, those guys probably don't make any money anyways.
Yeah, that's true. I don't know. I feel like guys that hunt ghosts still live with their moms. Yo, we both live with our moms. Thank God. We're loaded up, boys. We're ready to party. I know this isn't the most entertaining, but just want to show you guys that I'm not slacking, and we're here till fucking 2 in the morning. We gotta wake up in 4 hours.
You know what? I don't even care. I'm gonna. What's there to be mad about? I get to beat the shit out of my car in the morning.
Hell yeah.
Legally. And I have to worry about the feds.
The feds
coming up and fucking my day up.
Alright, it's gonna be good.
I'm not gonna lie, I literally drifted past a cop like fully 2 days ago.
Oh, you got lucky.
And the motherfucker was sleeping.
Hell yeah. I mean,
my nuts sucked up into my chest though. I'd just be sleeping. I don't know.
So yeah, all right. Let's just end it because we've still got a lot to pack. So like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. Join the Patreon.
See you tomorrow.